Today we're going to create a scene in the Tuxedo Touch panel. We're going to create our outdoor lighting scene. So basically at nighttime when the sun goes down, we're going to have some lights pop on. When the sun comes up, we're going to have lights go off. Now, one of the other videos I showed you how to create a group of lights. We're actually going to use the group lighting this time to save up some spaces. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go into the automation section. We're going to hit the Z-Wave scene setup. We're going to create an add scene. We can name it whatever we want, so we can call it outside lights, or we're going to call this exterior. Sorry about the phone. We'll call that exterior lights. Okay, our trigger is going to be sunset. So at sunset, we want this to happen. So I'm gonna hit save. Oops, as soon as I hit the days of the week. Save. And then our actions, what we want to happen is we want that group of lighting to come back on. So we're gonna go to lights, and we're gonna pick a group. We're gonna pick the outside lights. So normally you would go into the device and you would pick individual lights. In this case, we're gonna do all the outside lights. I'm gonna set them to turn on at 50%, 49%, somewhere right in there, because it's hard for my thumb to slide that. I'm gonna hit the save button, and down here on the bottom left, before I do that, let me turn exterior lights. On. Now the reason I did the on up here is because I'm actually gonna run this from sunset to sunrise. If you wanted to, you can go into your edit. You can actually pick a time for this to come on, or to time to stay on. So you could set it for 4 hours at nighttime, for instance, or 3 hours or 2 hours, or whatever you wanted. And that way you don't have to create an off command. So in this case, I'm actually going to create an exterior lights on, exterior lights off. So I'm going to add another scene. We're going to do exterior, if I can spell. And of course you can call these whatever you want. The thing to remember when you're working with the Total Connect and Tuxedo is that it is now Alexa enabled. So anything you type in here, Alexa has to understand. So if you type something weird, a person's name or something that you understand but Alexa might not, you may have trouble running the command. So make sure you type in something that is kind of user-friendly for Alexa. Same thing I'm gonna do Monday through Friday or Sunday. This time I'm gonna do sunrise instead of sunset. So every day at sunrise, action, our lights and our outside lights are going to turn off. Save that, save again, and there's the two scenes we just created. So that's all there is to setting a scene in a Tuxedo Touch panel. Check the link in the video and check the link in the descriptions below for more Tuxedo Touch panel configuration. I'm also doing a series on the Tuxedo Total Connect 2.0 and many other videos on regular Honeywell 6160, 6150 products. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please click the like and subscribe button.